We, at United International School, have come up with some safety tips to keep children safe during monsoons. Carry a raincoat or umbrella. Make a monsoon essential kit for your child to carry in their school bag just in case it starts raining. The kit should include a raincoat or umbrella and a hand towel. Refrain from junk food or street food. Rains give rise to germs and diseases like typhoid and malaria. Say no to street food and replace it with freshly cooked homemade food. Stay clear of puddles or stagnant water. Stagnant water or puddles are breeding grounds for mosquitoes and insects which can lead to serious illness. So, keep your children clear of puddles or stagnant water.